Welcome dear student in my course Determinant of Quality Life. Today's topic we will discuss about peace and health for quality life. Content of this module is introduction, philosophical and cultural practices, peace and its type, health, dimension of health, understanding peace in the context of quality life, role of peace in ensuring a quality life. Health is a cornerstone of quality life. Role of health in ensuring a quality life. Interconnection between peace and health. Strategies to promote peace and health. Challenges to achieving peace and health. Understanding sustainable development, sustainability and quality of life. Learning outcome at the end of this lesson, this module, a student will be able to recall the definitions of peace, health and sustainable development, explain the relationship between peace, health and quality of life, illustrate how inner peace and mental health contribute to overall well-being through real life examples, differentiate between physical, mental, social and spiritual dimensions of health, assess the importance of sustainable development in ensuring long-term peace and health, purpose, community-based strategies to promote peace and health in their surroundings. Introduction. In a world marked by interdependencies and overlapping crises, peace is crucial for fostering resilient, equitable and healthy societies. Health system as a social institutions plays a vital role in building trust within fragmented communities, making their strengthening essential for rebuilding societies affected by conflict. Ultimately, peace is fundamental to achieving good health. Quality of life is a multi-dimensional concept encompassing physical well-being, emotional stability, social harmony and personal fulfillment. Among the many elements that contribute to a high quality of life, peace and health are foundational pillars. Without internal peace and good health, both mental and physical, other aspects of life lose their significance. Philosophical and cultural perspective of quality of life. First we discuss the Gandhian philosophy. There is no way to peace. Peace is the way. Health, simplicity, non-violence and harmony are essential for Gandhi's ideas of a good life. Ayurveda and yogic traditions emphasize balance between body, mind and spirit. Buddhism teaches inner peace, that is nirvana, as the highest goal of life. Ubuntu, an African philosophy, I am because we are. Community health and peace are interlinked. Peace. Peace is not just the absence of conflict or war. It is a deeper state of emotional, social and spiritual balance. At a personal level, peace reflects a calm mind and stable emotional state. It allows individuals to think clearly, make thoughtful decisions and maintain healthy relationships. At a broader level, peace in society ensures safety, justice and opportunities for all. When peace is present, people can live without fear, express themselves freely and work together toward progress and happiness. Peace is the key component of a high quality life because it nurtures emotional well-being, supports social cooperation, and builds resilience against stress and anxiety. Key points. Peace includes emotional calmness and social harmony. It goes beyond absence of violence and it's about positive well-being. Peaceful individuals and communities thrive with cooperation, empathy, and justice. Types of peace. Peace can be seen in different form and level, each contributing uniquely to the quality of life. Inner peace is the personal experience of mental clarity and emotional steadiness. It helps individuals cope with stress, overcome fears, and stay focused. Interpersonal peace about maintaining healthy relationships through communication, empathy, and mutual respect. When conflict arises, this form of peace help in resolving them constructively. Societal peace emerged when communities and nations function with fairness, lawfulness, and tolerance, ensuring the rights and dignity of all people. On the largest scale, global peace is about the absence of war, promotion of human rights, and cooperative international relations. Key points of inner peace is mental calm, emotional control, and self-awareness. Interpersonal peace is respectful, cooperative relationship. Societal peace is justice, equality, and community harmony. Global peace, absence of war, diplomacy, and human rights protections. Understanding peace in the context of quality life. Peace is not merely the absence of war or conflict. It is a state of inner calm, emotional stability, and social harmony. Peace exists in two levels, inner peace and social peace. This inner peace is referred to an individual's mental, emotional stability and ability to manage stress and maintain positive thoughts and relationships. Practices such as meditation, mindfulness, and self-reflection enhance inner peace. Social peace refers to living in a community that is safe, just, inclusive, and free from violence. Free from discrimination, and free from inequalities. Peaceful societies support freedom of expression, access to justice, and opportunities for growth. A peaceful environment reduces psychological stress and anxiety, thereby enhancing mental health and overall life satisfaction. Role of peace in ensuring quality life. Inner peace, a path of self-well-being. Inner peace refers to mental calmness, emotional balance, and sense of harmony with oneself. Practice like mindfulness, yoga, spiritual reflection, and gratitude help cultivate inner peace. Inner peace reduces stress, anxiety, and negative thoughts, leading to better mental and physical health. Social peace, living in harmony with others. Social peace is a state of living without fear, conflict, or discrimination. It includes justice, human rights, equality, freedom of speech, and respect for diversity. Peaceful societies ensure people feel safe, respected, and free to grow. Global peace, a prerequisite for sustainable development. Peace between nations reduces displacement, war, and humanitarian crisis. Global peace enables the international community to invest in health, education, and sustainability. What is health? Health is not merely the absence of illness. It is a state of complete physical, mental, and social well-being. This holistic definition proposed by the World Health Organization highlights that being truly healthy involves more than just not being sick. It means feeling energetic, emotionally stable, socially connected, and mentally strong. Health plays a central role in shaping the quality of life. When individuals are healthy, they can pursue education, work productively, build meaningful relationships, and contribute positively to society. Key point: health equal to physical plus mental plus social well-being. It is a foundation for happy and fulfilling life. Poor health limits opportunities, productivity, and personal growth. A healthy individual is better equipped to handle life's challenges. Dimension of health. Health is a multidimensional. Each dimension of health is interconnected and equally important in maintaining a good quality of life. Physical health refers to the proper functioning of the body and freedom from disease. It depends on nutrition, sleep, exercise, and access to medical care. Mental health is the ability to cope with stress, make decisions, and maintain emotional balance. In recent years, mental health has gained recognition as a crucial component of overall well-being. Social health involves positive interaction with others and building supportive relationships. It ensures that individuals feel valued and connected. Some frameworks also include spiritual health, which gives a sense of purpose, peace, and ethical grounding. Key point: physical fitness, nutrition, medical care, mental health, emotional balance, resilience, psychological well-being, social health, relationships, community involvement, spiritual health, optional, inner peace, moral values, life purpose, balance, health support, productivity, happiness, and longevity. Health as a cornerstone of quality life. Health is another essential determinant of life quality. According to the World Health Organization, health is not just the absence of disease, but a state of complete physical, mental, and social well-being. Physical health involves nutrition, hygiene, physical fitness, and access to health care. A healthy body supports productivity, longevity, and active living. Mental health equally important. Mental health enables individuals to cope with the stresses of life, work productivity, and contribute to their communities. Public health, safe drinking water, proper sanitation, vaccination, pollution-free environments, and equitable healthcare system play a vital role in maintaining community well-being. The role of health in ensuring quality life. Physical health, foundation of a productive life. Good physical health means a well-functioning body free from disease. It depends on proper nutrition, clean water, regular exercise, hygiene, and access to medical care. Chronic illness and physical limitations can significantly lower life satisfactions. Mental health often overlooked but crucial. Mental health includes emotional resilience, cognitive function, and psychological balance. Stress, anxiety, depression, and trauma can deeply impact quality of life, even when physical health is good. Support system, counseling, and awareness play a key role in improving mental health. Social and community health. Health is not only individual, it is also collective. Community health depends on public services, clean environment, disease prevention, and health education. The interconnections between peace and health. Peace and health reinforce each other in a powerful cycle. In a peaceful environment, healthcare system flourish and stress-related illness decline. A lack of peace leads to trauma, violence, displacement, overburden healthcare systems, long-term psychological damage, especially to children and women. On the other hand, healthy individuals are better able to maintain peaceful relationships and contribute positively to society. Strategies to promote peace and health. By education and awareness, peace, education, and health literacy empower people to lead better life. By community engagement, building inclusive communities promotes trust, safety, and mutual care. Government initiatives like policies focus on universal health care, mental health services, and conflict resolution are vital. Personal responsibilities, practicing empathy, healthy living, and mindfulness can start positive change at the individual level. Challenges to achieving peace and health is poverty and inequality, environmental degradation, political instability, lack of access to education, social exclusion, and discrimination. These factors disrupt both peace and health, lowering the overall quality of life. Understanding sustainable development. Sustainable development refers to meeting the needs of the present without compromising the ability to future generations to meet their own needs. It is a development model and balance economic growth, environment protection, and social well-being. In today's fast-changing world, where resources are being depleted and inequality is rising, sustainable development has become a global priority. It urges us to rethink our lifestyle, policies, and consumption patterns so that progress does not come to the cost of the planet or vulnerable communities. Equality life, in its truest sense, cannot be achieved without ensuring sustainability for both people and planet. Sustainability and equality life. Sustainability is directly linked to quality of life. A clean environment, access to safe water, nutritious food, green spaces, renewable energy, and responsible consumption all enhance the health and happiness of individuals and communities. Similarly, peace and social justice are essential for inclusive development. Sustainable development encourages harmony with nature and foster values such as empathy, cooperation, and responsibility. It empowers individuals to make conscious choices that benefit both their personal lives and the global communities. Sustainability is not just a goal. It is a way of life that ensures dignity, opportunity, and well-being for all. Peace and health in Sustainable Development Goal. Sustainability is not just a goal, it is a way of life that ensures dignity, opportunity and well-being for all. Key point is ensure clean air, clean water and nutritious and clean food, essential for health. Promotes eco-friendly living and responsible consumptions. Strengthen social justice and peace, creating stable societies. Build a future where a quality life is available to everyone. SDG 3 ensure healthy lives and promotes well-being for all at all ages. Sustainable Development Goal 16 promote peaceful and inclusive societies, access to justice and strong institutions. Both goals and central to the United Nations Agenda 2030 and are interdependent in improving global quality of life. Conclusion of this module is peace and health are not separate concerns. They are deeply intertwined and essential for quality of life. One cannot thrive in an environment of violence, nor can peace be sustained where illness and inequality prevail. To create a better future, individuals and societies must work hand in hand to foster both peace and health. By doing so, we lay the foundation for a truly happy, sustainable and meaningful life for all. Thank you.